warmer temps throughout the week, possibly a cool front moving in this weekend, and we're going to take a look at the tropics here on our South Texas weather update. Well, happy Tuesday, everyone. My name is Jacob Lozano, and it is October 8th, 2024, and let's jump in with our 250 millibar GFS map. We got a steady zonal flow moving west to east. We do see a little dip this weekend that could possibly bring some cooler temperatures here on the GFS model. We're going to see some high temperatures, though, through the remainder of the week until we see this front possibly move in on Saturday. 94 in the San Antonio area, 95 in the Victoria area, 91 along the coastline, and 93 down in the Webb County area for the highs today. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at low 70s, high 60s in some areas. We got our high 60s more in the hill country as well as on our lower panhandle and just along the Rio Grande Valley, just staying in the 70s. Tomorrow's high, not much different, 96 degrees in the Zavala area, 94 San Antonio, 92 in the Bryan College Station area, and staying in those mid-60s along the coast with that humidity creeping in. Thursday, same thing, 96. It's going to be a little warmer in the Zavala area at 98 degrees. It's going to be a well above average day for sure. Now, going into Friday, we do see the temperature start to drop a little bit. 93 in the southern portion of San Antonio, 95 in the Zavala area, and staying in those mid-high 80s in the South Texas Panhandle. And Saturday, this is what we're going to look at. We'll be waking up to possibly some low 60s in some areas, mid-high 60s in most areas. And we're going to stay in possibly in the upper 80s for the majority of South Texas, maybe see a couple low 90s. But overall, it's going to be cooler weather. Precipitation-wise, however, we're not seeing much over the next 3 days. It's going to be pretty well dry as we got that block of high pressure up there in the north, keeping everything well above us. Back in the tropics, though, we do have Hurricane Milton in there. This is just from yesterday of that massive intensification of that Category 5 storm. We're looking at these tracks of development along the Florida the Florida coastline. But our main focus is going to be in the Gulf where Milton is at. We may see, I'm going to jump to the tropical tidbits map real quick. We are going to see this track move northeastward directly in the the Tampa Bay area. Intensification-wise, we saw this 917 millibar storm as of yesterday. Slowly going to weaken due to just the intensity of it. It just will not maintain its strength. We will see this possibly in the Category 3 range. Hopefully not Category 4 like we may see, but praying for Florida as this is just going to be another catastrophic storm. Just look at these outer rain bands. It's going to be a lot of damage, especially with the eye wall so close to, I believe, the Tampa Bay area. It's going to be catastrophic. Storm surge is going to be a main concern with this storm, and people are just advised to leave now. It's going to be insane. What does that mean for us here on the Gulf? Well, as it slowly starts to move away, we will see the seas start to die down a little bit, staying at that constant 3.5 feet per 9 second surf. Yeah, so this weekend we're expecting low temps here in Texas. This weekend, staying in the mid-low 90s in most of our area, and it's going to be well around dry. No rain in our forecast at all.